Yes, students. Get up. Get up, I say. Didn't you sleep yesterday night? Is this why you come for college?
Sir, I wasn't sleeping. You were explaining about stars and planets, and I was imagining it.
If I kick you once, directly you'll go to stars.
Fine, sir. Along with other stars, I shall be one among the stars, like Naveen Star.
You? Teaching for you is shame for my career. Out of my class, I say.
Sir, I was...
Out.
Sir...
I say out. Get out. Okay, we'll continue.
My God! How dare you come here?
I was just standing by myself, sir. Sir, I need to go home, sir. I'm innocent, sir. I am hitting me, sir.
Put him into the van. Let's take him to the police
Sir,
station.
I'm innocent. I haven't done anything, sir. Sir, I need to go home, sir. Sir, please, sir. Sir, please leave me, sir. Sir.
Naveen, you are sent to college to study and get educated. But you are turning to be a social level. Do you even know your responsibility?
Appa, I haven't done anything wrong. I was just standing by myself and thinking what to do. That's when these policemen took me to the van. I was even scared to walk past the whole scene.
Huh? If you are just standing there, why would they take you away? You are just lying. By lying, you will not come up in your life. Your future is going to be ruined.
Appa, I was...
Enough. We are done talking. Just mind your business.
The fighting hero. Salman Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, Shahid Kapoor. Huh? Swami Vivekananda?
Baba Mosai.
Take.
Namaskar.
Baba? What, Naren?
Do you know whom you are helping?
Yes, I do. He's a poor soul. I helped him since he needed some help.
But if all the wealth is given away, what is that left to me?
Come. Naren, what do you see there?
It's me. I see myself.
That's right, my son. It's you. And you are my gift. Your strong personality, the physical strength, and the intellectual sound mind. This is your property, my son. Preserve this fortune forever by making it stronger always. Don't go after wealth that comes today and vanishes tomorrow.
Our birth is but a sleep and a forgetting. The soul that rises with us, our life's star, hath that elsewhere the setting cometh from afar. The poet has written this in a state of trance.
Sir,
What is it?
sir, I have a question.
Yes.
Sir, what is the state of trance? Does God really exist? If so, how does he look like? Did God create this world? Why did he create this world so full of anomalies?
That is a very thoughtful question, Nareen. If you want to understand God, you must first understand what is the state of trance. I do not have the answer. I have heard a person named Sri Ramakrishna Paramahamsa of Dakshineshwara who has experienced this best state of mind. If you ever get to go there, you can see it for yourself.
Thank you, sir.
Who could it be?
Hey Naveen,
Yeah, Raj, tell me.
get the god costume for tomorrow drama rehearsal.
Not only the god's costume, I'll show you the real god tomorrow. Okay, I'm quite busy. I'll call you later. Bye.
মনো চলো নিজনে প্রেমে সংসার বিদেশে বিদেশীর বেশে ভ্রমকান ও কারণে মনো চলো নিজনেকে তানে সংসার বিদেশে বিদেশীর বেশে ভ্রমকান ও কারণে মনো চলো নিজনেকে তানে
Does God really exist?
He is omnipresent. Without him, I, you, and none of us would have existed.
Guruji, have you seen God?
Yes, I have seen God. Same as like I'm seeing you.
Then will you show him to me?
Yes, definitely.
at once gave rise to a novel experience within me. I was terribly frightened and thought I was facing death. Ramakrishna Paramahamsa is my Pujya Guruji. Being associated with a kind of great person like him is a gift of my good deeds. I have come to understand that with deep feeling and desire, God can be seen. There is an attraction even in simplicity. Ramakrishna Guruji is the best example. This dreadful situation of my country is giving me nightmares. All I can see is need, and there is no one to fulfill.
Baba, please give me something.
I had not had anything since 3 days.
I am hungry. Please, Baba. Baba.
Swami.
Huh?
We are hungry. Please give us something to eat. Ma? Since 4 days, we are starving.
Have this.
Thank you, Baba. Namaste. God bless you.
Take this.
Thank you, Baba.
Eat.
Thank you.
When will this poverty end in my country? There is a cry for food everywhere. There is stark poverty. People have become breathing corpses. My father's death and the consequent poverty has brought over a deep sense of suffering within me. What am I supposed to do? I am in a fix. Should I work towards my spiritual goal? Or should I take up the responsibility of my family, being their eldest son? I don't know. Ma?
My son.
Ma, I can understand your feelings. That I should earn and look after you well. Maybe that's what you desire. But in spite of the best efforts, my mind is not going towards that direction. An unknown force is dragging me towards spiritual sadhanas. Forgive me, Ma. Please forgive me.
God bless you, my son.
No, I shall not be selfish. I can't live for myself. My life should serve the social well-being. I will lead towards spirituality, spiritual achievements. Guruji, here I come. I need you, Guruji. I need you.
Your life is reserved for ameliorating the world. So, you must not stay here. You must travel around the world.
Hey Jagannathe, I don't want to reach heaven. I don't want to attain nirvana. But instead, please show me the way to root out the poverty amongst the crores and crores of Indians. Anything you do, don't give up the true spirit in there. Maybe you're scared. Someday you have to fight it. Always believe that. There is reason behind every life and behind every death. How is it called life if you succumb into the hands of fear? You are bitten by a snake, and if you repudiate it strongly, then even the poison transforms into Amrit. Never say give up. Arise, awake, and the miracle be.
Your future is going to be ruined. Just mind your business. By lying, you will not come up in your life. Your future is going to be ruined.
And you are my gift. Your strong personality, the physical strength, and the intellectual sound mind. This is your property, my son.
Vivekananda, your life is reserved for ameliorating the world. So, you must not stay here. You must travel around the world.
And
Your
you are
future
my
is going
gift.
to be ruined. Mind your
Your
business.
strong personality,
Your
Concentrate on
life is
physical
reserved for
strength,
ameliorating the
and
world.
the intellectual
So,
sound mind.
You must not
This
work
is your
hard.
property, my son.
You must travel around the world.
Bharat has already inherited immemorial spiritual values. What we need in today's modern scientific world is the application of these values for the constructive reformations. To fulfill this cause, I am going abroad. These nations can give us education and training in modern agriculture, science, technology, industry, and many other technical areas. This may help us to develop our economy, and for that, Chicago's World Parliament of Religions is my first step. Sisters and brothers of America,
it fills my heart with joy unspeakable to rise in response to the warm and cordial welcome which you have given us. I thank you in the name of the most ancient order of monks in the world. I thank you in the name of the mother of religions. And I thank you in the name of the millions and millions of Hindu people of all classes and sects.
Welcome to Kolkata, Swami Vivekananda. Welcome to Kolkata, Swami Vivekananda.
Uttishtata, Jagrata, Prapyavarana Nibodhata. Arise, awake, because there is no time. Be fearless. Fearlessness is the road to success. Fear not. We are Amritasya Putraha, the children of God. The country needs selfless people. You, the youth, have the power to change the future. Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached. Bharat Mata ki Jai! Bharat Mata ki Jai! Bharat Mata ki Jai! Bharat Mata ki Jai! Strength is life, weakness is death.
Strength is life. Weakness is death. Yes. Yes.
Please take it.
Appa?
Huh?
You?
Oh my God!
Oh my God, it's a paining.
Please get up. Please get up. Did you get hurt? Is it paining?
No, nothing.
Be careful while riding.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Oh God. Oh, Mama. Oof.
Are you
It's
okay?
okay.
Allow me, Granny.
It's
I'll do it
okay,
for you.
my son.
I'll carry it for you for some
It's
time.
okay.
You please relax. Please relax. Why did you come out in this hot sun? How far is your house, Granny? You should have taken somebody with you.
There is no one for me, my son.
Don't worry. I'll walk you home.
God bless you, my son. Take care. God bless you.
Naveen? When you mourn for others' sorrows, an inspiration to do good will erupt from the bottom of your heart. Don't you feel a little pity for others in your heart? Millions of people are starving in our country. Dark clouds of ignorance have concealed the sky. Doesn't that disrupt your sleep? See the sufferings of the poor and downtrodden. Aren't they God? First learn to help them. In turn, you will help your whole country.
I'll give you water. Please have some. Have a little more. Please.
I don't know.
Going so hard.
Naveen?
Even to think that there exists something impossible is a sin. A person who has no self-confidence is the biggest atheist. Be powerful and you will become powerful. Be free. Do not expect anything from anyone. Never say impossible. You are capable of doing anything. You are omnipotent. If you think you are a lamb, that's the illusion you are supposed to come out of. Arise. You are a lion. You are an immortal soul. You are a soul filled with joy. Arise. Be knowledgeable. Stride towards your goal.
See that straight man. Why the poles are not going only? Or even really boring. Yeah, from morning only they are standing here. It's like what they are doing.
Power is life and weakness is death.
Power is life. Weakness is death.
Power is bliss.
Power is bliss.
It is the infinite life and immortality.
It is the infinite life and immortality.
Weakness is always pain.
Weakness is always pain.
To win over the dismay, one should possess excellent willpower.
To win over the dismay, one should possess excellent willpower. He should be resolute. One who says, I can shatter the mighty mountains, is a real hero. Do not fear. To die fighting in the battle is far better than leading a life accepting defeat.
We have all the power inside us. Roar aloud the words, I can do it. We have all the potential inside us. Come, let's stand and fight. Never retreat.
Even if it's the mighty stars against whom we are fighting. Go, don't worry. Let's stand in the front line and take the blow. The one with the brave heart, the only one who can sacrifice, is the true leader.
Only the one who is brave enough to give his life for a right cause can become a true leader. Enough. Enough of crime. Let us mold our muscles and nerves with iron and steel.
It is better to die for our country rather than wasting our lives sitting idle. Fear not. Arise. Awake. Vande Mataram! Vande Mataram!
Yes, sir.
Vande Mataram! Bharat Mata ki Jai! Bharat Mata ki Jai! Bharat Mata ki Jai!
What India needs is youth power. This power alone can take our country religiously and socially towards great heights. Confidence is strength. Keep it awake. Youth are like lions. Never stop until you reach your goal.
Bharat Mata ki Jai! Bharat Mata ki Jai! Bharat Mata ki Jai!
Tani